boys and girls, welcome back with the third puzzle in yesterday's newspaper of Saturday, March the 13th, 2021. Yes, it's actually today, Sunday, and I've decided to solve the other four puzzles, and this one will be the third one, and it's a binary puzzle, and this one will be number 2471. All right, and what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's and 4 ones. Yes. Alright, so let's get started. Between 2 ones comes an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Alright. Double one here, no there, no. Double one here, no there, no. Double O here, one there, one. Double O here, one there, one. Double O and between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between 2 ones comes in O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. We have here 4 ones in the last row, so the rest are O's. Then double O here, one there, one. Double one here, no there, no. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Alright. Double O here, one there, one. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O here, one there, one. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O here, one there, one. Okay. Double one here, no there, no. Double O here, one there, one. We have here 4 ones, so the rest are O's. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one here, no there, no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Alright. And now I think I need to compare. 101. Do we have a 101 here? No, this is not the same. 011. Do we have a here? 011? No, not the same. 011. So I cannot compare the rows. So we need to compare the columns. 01. So it could be this one, that one. Oh, not this one. We have a double one, so I need to compare. Oh, yes. The second column and this column. All right. O, empty box. 1, 1. O, 1, 1. O, 1, 1, empty box. So we need to switch these 2 digits. With an O there, this should be a 1. With a 1 here, this should be an O. Alright, between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Finish in 4 minutes, boys and girls. I like this one. You've only one time comparing. And I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of yesterday's newspaper, and it will be a tectonic with 1 star. So see you later. Bye bye for now.